Something is happening right now that most people are completely unprepared for. Quietly, silently, without warning. Jobs that took humans years of education and experience to master are being replaced. Not in 10 years, not in 5 years, right now. Accountants, copywriters, graphic designers, customer service agents, legal analysts, data analysts, gone. Or going. And here's the part nobody wants to say out loud. It's not slowing down, it's accelerating. But here's what's interesting. While millions of people are panicking about losing their jobs to AI, a small group of people are doing something completely different. They're using AI to build income streams that didn't even exist 3 years ago. They're working less, earning more, and they're completely untouchable by the wave that's coming. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to join them. Welcome to AI Money Moves, where we don't just talk about what's happening with AI, we show you how to profit from it. If you're new here, subscribe right now, because what I'm about to share could literally change the direction of your financial life. Let's get into it. Let's talk about what's actually happening. No sugarcoating. A 2023 Goldman Sachs report estimated that AI could automate up to 300 million full-time jobs globally. That's not a conspiracy theory. That's one of the most respected financial institutions in the world saying it out loud. And we're already seeing it. IBM announced it would stop hiring for roles that AI could fill. BT Group, one of Britain's largest telecoms, said it would cut 55,000 jobs by 2030. With AI replacing a significant portion of them. Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with a single AI tool. This is not the future. This is happening now. But here's the twist, and this is the part most people miss completely. Every single technological revolution in history created more jobs than it destroyed. The Industrial Revolution, the Internet Revolution, the Mobile Revolution. AI is not different. It's creating an entirely new economy. And the people who understand this early are going to win big. So what's the shift? The old economy rewarded people who could do things. Type fast, answer phones, write basic copy, crunch numbers. The new economy rewards people who can direct things. People who can tell AI what to do. People who understand how to use AI tools to create value faster than anyone else. Think about it this way. A person who knows how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, and Canva together can produce in 1 hour what used to take an entire team a week. That person is not going to lose their job to AI. That person is the AI advantage. And the beautiful thing? You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need any special qualifications. You just need to know which tools to use and how to use them. That's it. So here are the 4 positions that put you on the winning side of the AI revolution. Position 1, the AI content creator. Content is exploding right now. Every business, every brand, every creator needs content. And AI has made it possible for one person to produce the content of an entire team. YouTube channels, newsletters, social media pages, blogs, podcasts. Using tools like ChatGPT for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and DaVinci Resolve for editing, one person can run a full media operation from their bedroom. This is literally what AI Money Moves is. A faceless, AI-powered channel built by one person using free tools. The opportunity here is massive, and it's only getting bigger. Position 2, the AI service provider. Businesses are desperate to use AI, but most of them don't know how. That's where you come in. Offer AI-powered services, resume writing, social media management, video editing, voiceover production, thumbnail design, and charge premium prices for work that AI helps you complete in a fraction of the time. You become the bridge between businesses and AI, and that bridge is worth a lot of money. Position 3, the AI product creator. AI has made it easier than ever to create digital products and sell them passively. Children's books on Amazon KDP, digital art on Etsy, AI-generated templates on Gumroad, online courses teaching AI skills. Once created, these products sell while you sleep, forever. Position 4, the AI investor. Not financial advice, but understanding AI and where it's going gives you an edge when making investment decisions. AI infrastructure, AI tools companies, AI applications in healthcare, finance, and education. The people who understood the internet in 1995 and invested accordingly changed their financial lives forever. We are at that same moment with AI, right now, today. So how do you start? Right now, today. Step 1. Pick one position from the 4 I just described. Just one. Don't try to do all 4 at once. Step 2. Spend 30 minutes today learning the core AI tools for that position. ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Canva, Midjourney. These are all free or have free tiers. Step 3. Produce something. Anything. A short video, a children's book, a resume sample, a social media post. Just start creating. Step 4. Put it out into the world. YouTube, Amazon, Etsy, Fiverr, wherever your market is. Step 5. Iterate. Improve. Keep going. The people who are going to win in the AI economy are not necessarily the smartest or the most talented. They're the ones who start. The ones who take action while everyone else is still debating whether AI is good or bad. Here's the truth nobody wants to say. The AI revolution is not coming for the people who use AI. It's coming for the people who don't. The question is not whether AI will change your life. It already is. The question is, will it change it on your terms or on someone else's? You have a choice right now. You can close this video and go back to hoping things stay the same. Or you can pick one of those 4 positions and start building something that AI cannot take from you. Because AI can't replace the person who knows how to use it. Drop a double dot in the comments if you're choosing to be on the winning side. I want to see who's serious. And if you want a deep dive on any of those 4 positions, comment which one below, and I'll make a dedicated video just for you. Subscribe, share this with someone who needs to hear it. I'll see you in the next one.